Hey friends, if you wish to stop Valorant from starting up with computer, then please watch this video. So open the Riot client, not the Valorant one, the Riot client. Okay, now in the Riot client, here's what you have to do. You have to click on your profile picture at the top right corner and then select settings. Now you have two settings, one is for Riot, one is for Valorant, and you may have more games. Go to the Riot client one and you'll notice something which says open Riot client on startup. You can shut this. Though I prefer to keep it up for some reasons, but it is your choice. Now, one may ask why can't we just disable it from the task manager? Because if you are disabling it from the task manager, you'll have to disable Vanguard and a lot more. So this is the best option, and I strongly advise this if you wish to disable it from startup. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.